Today, we're going to show you how to set your admin or RCON password. First thing you're going to do, log into your control panel at panel.infectgamehosting.com, and then you're just going to add your username and password, and then you're going to click Login. Once you're at your dashboard, you're going to locate your instance, so it's usually the same page here, and then you're going to go to the green Manage button, is this one right here. First thing you're going to do is you're going to stop your server. Before setting or changing your admin password, the server must be stopped. So we're just going to stop our server here. We're going to give it a couple seconds for it to completely stop. You'll notice that it will show start and update once it is completely stopped running. Once you have that, you're going to go into configuration. You're going to click security and privacy. And then you're also going to click Generate Password button under the Remote Admin Password section. So, going to click Generic Configuration, Generate Password under the Remote Admin Password. This will instantly create a strong password and automatically copy to your clipboard. The password will not be shown on screen. That's the important thing. It will not be shown on screen, but it will be available on your clipboard. So as soon as you generate that, it's going to copy and you're going to paste it somewheres so you can see what it is. It'll not show on the screen. So save the password immediately. Right click the password, open up your notepad, text editor, Google Docs, Word, whatever you need to open, and then you can click Control V to paste it, or right click and click paste. If you do not save your password, you will not be able to view or recover it later. The only thing is you'd have to click Forget Your Admin Password, which then you'll need to do a security. You'll need to go back in security, click Clear Password, and then generate a new one. So if you forget your password, your admin password, you would have to click Clear Password, wait a couple seconds, and then generate a new password. After saving the password, go back to the server status section. So we're going to go back to status, and you can now use your saved password to authenticate as admin in-game. The method will be varied depending on the game, but technically involves entering the password through the game's console or admin menu. Then you can click your start button again to start your server.